I was on YouTube. Watch TY38.
Detail world, what it do, man. We done made it to this first and only stop of the day. Today is the day before Father's Day, so a lot of people making moves, and I really didn't plan on work today. You know, it's this weekend. I'm planning on doing things with the kids, so I came out here and did this new custom car, which I'm doing a full detail on. I have already started on the car. I have actually got the driver's side of the car actually completely done. Right now I'm working on the passenger side, but I should have let y'all see what the car looked like because it was pretty dirty in here. Doors definitely had stuff literally everywhere, all in these little cracks and crevices, all behind the door handle, things like that, all in the pocket. You know, and then the seat literally had a bunch of debris within the seat. You know, like I tell you, if you look, you barely see none. You see something like right there and right there, but that's because it's the camera, but it ain't like it's out, it's literally in the seat. So right now, like I said, we're working. We already shampooed this, everything up here. Already wiped down the steering wheel, the cup holder, monitors, things like that. Like I said, we already shampooed back here. We already did them seats and stuff. We gotta probably still hit that seat up a little bit. If you see it in the carpet, see it in the camera, you can still see that white right there, which with the naked eye you really can't see. But we about to go ahead and finish doing it right now. I already vacuumed that side. You see I already got the towels and stuff out. About to go ahead and start cleaning the seat. You look, you got a lot of stuff right there, so we're gonna go ahead and get it cracking and get it clean, wipe the seats down thoroughly. Do the same thing up here, get up here, wipe down the passenger side seat, and then we're gonna get out here, clean the exterior of the car, get back here in the back, clean back here. If you see, it's pretty dirty back here, so we're gonna get back here, vacuum this real good, things like that. But we already got all the equipment out, things like that. But you already know, man, we take so much pride over here at Your Way Mobile Car Care Service. And on that note, I hope you take pride in whatever you're doing, man. And I'm gonna go ahead and continue to work on this car, and I'm gonna catch you in a minute, man. Peace. Detail world, what it do, man. We finally got this Audi completely done, man. We got it. It took us probably about 2 hours approximately to get the car looking up to standards, but I guarantee you when she see her car, she's gonna be highly enthused. She's gonna be happy about the work, and she's definitely gonna be happy that she reached out to use my services. But this is an Audi Q8. Like I told you, I showed y'all the interior, exterior of the car. Remember it was dirty, but we got the car looking so good. You know what I mean? She's definitely gonna be so proud. She's gonna get in here and be like, oh my God, I have a new car. But y'all already know we over here at Your Way Mobile Car Care Service take so much pride in the work we do, man. So on that note, whatever you do, man, make sure you take pride in whatever you're doing, man. No matter what it is you're using your hands for, man. Y'all gotta remember that, man. Your hands are your blessings. You know what I mean? And your mind is what help your hands do what they do. And for my people that don't have hands, I know you figured out a way to do what you need to do, or hopefully you have a helping hand. And no pun intended, not trying to be funny, that somebody's willing to help you. Because in life, I can tell you, say we may not want help, but we need help. Life is all about networking and building friendships and relationships with people throughout this world, or throughout your community, or throughout your state, or however you network through people. If you're networking through people in your neighborhood, at the local bar, the gym, no matter where you at, man, just try to figure out how to network with people, because if you want to get further in life, you're definitely gonna need the people. So y'all already know, on that note, like I told y'all, this is the only car for the day. We done, man. So we finna go out here and record these events. Camera finna be hot today. We got all 3 batteries charged. We got the microphones charged. We just ready, man. We are so prepared to continue to give y'all the best content that we can give y'all, man. So we on that note, I hope you hit that subscribe button today. Remember, it is free to hit that red button. Hit that button, leave a comment, like, share. You don't even have to turn on post notifications, but if you do, I'd appreciate it. And on that note, like always, one love. You can't love yourself. No, my bad. You can't love nobody without loving yourself. Don't let me mess that up, y'all. You can't love nobody without loving yourself. So give yourself all the self-love. It's all about self-care. And on that note, like always, man, peace.
I was on YouTube. Watch TY38.